So hi, I'm Sanna and I'm a registered nutritional therapist.
Hi, I'm Dr. Emma Williams and I'm a GP with an interest in lifestyle medicine. Sanna and I have joined forces again to talk about how we can keep ourselves healthy during the coronavirus outbreak. But we would like to say that taking a supplement or dietary change or lifestyle changes will not protect you from the coronavirus. You need to maintain the strict social distancing rules and hygiene measures.
Absolutely. There are some things that you can do through lifestyle changes and also through your diet to support your immune system in its entirety. So the first for me would be to eliminate or reduce as much as you can the amount of stress you're under, the amount of sugar you eat, and the amount of alcohol that you drink, because all three, it's been shown time after time in studies that they actually reduce or impair your immune system function, the proper working function of your immune system. So eliminate or reduce as much as you possibly can stress, sugar and alcohol during this time to give your immune system the best possible chance.
And actually, with Better Together, you can try all the stress reducing things by doing the meditation or breath work or getting your exercise and your daylight exposure, and that can help to try and reduce stress. And I think every so often people are tempted to grab the alcohol bottle, but just remember what the guidelines are and how, not to go over the top of that.
Absolutely. And yeah, unfortunately during these times it's so easy to do food, alcohol, it's just there, isn't it, for you to just grab. So finding alternatives ways to help manage that is incredibly important. I think the other thing would be to prioritize sleep as much as you possibly can, because sleep is so restorative, so regenerative. It gives your body the chance to actually rebuild and repair immune cells, your whole immune system. And it also, while you sleep, it fights germs, viruses while you sleep. So sleep is just so important.
Yeah, I mean, there is evidence for that. And, having your recommended 7 to 9 hours every day, having a set routine, relaxation to help you get to sleep, sticking on going to bed at the same time, whether that's a weekday or a weekend day, that's crucial.
Absolutely, and try and wake up at the same time as well, which I know is can be quite difficult. I think the other thing to focus on as well is having a well-balanced diet. It's so important to support your immune function. So that's things like prioritizing the antioxidants you get from food. So as much fruit and veg as you possibly can. Aim for like half or 2/3 of your plate vegetables. But I think whereas you did say earlier that no food or supplement will prevent you from getting coronavirus, when it comes to the common cold, there is one vitamin in particular that is probably the most well researched, and that is vitamin D.
Yeah, I think vitamin D is an interesting one because there is studies with regards vitamin D and prevention of upper respiratory tract infections in children, and also studies that were looking at vitamin D supplementation for people with osteoporosis. And when they did that, they noticed that they had a reduction in upper respiratory tract infections. And I think the guidelines are in the UK that you need to take a vitamin D supplementation during the winter months because we don't get enough sun exposure in the northern hemisphere, which is about, for adults, 400 international units, which is 10 micrograms. And then in the summer, it's having safe sun exposure. That's quite difficult to know exactly how long a time that is, and that's without sun cream on because that blocks the vitamin D in your skin, but that varies from everyone because of people's colour, skin and absorption rate, but basically not burning, and maybe for 5 to 10 minutes a couple of times a day. And if you're not able to get safe sun exposure, then potentially taking a supplement during the summer months as well if needed. But you can get some from food, but generally sun on your skin is better. But Sanna, remind us which are the ones that you can get from food?
The main ones are oily fish, so things like salmon, mackerel, herrings. You can get some in cheese, mushrooms. For vegans, there are fortified foods that you can get as well. But I think, as you say, sunlight is the best form of vitamin D. You can only get small, tiny amounts in food. So get out in the sun as much as you possibly can when it actually is shining, which again, as you say, is so rare in this country.
And do it safely.
Do it safely, absolutely. I forgot that bit. So I think so for me, just to recap, eliminate, reduce as much as you possibly can stress, sugar, and alcohol to give your immune system the best fighting chance in these times. Prioritize sleep, eat a well-balanced diet packed full of colourful fruit and veg to get all your antioxidants in. But above all, follow the NHS guidance. That is definitely the best thing that you can do right now.
Social distancing and good hand hygiene. But as Sanna said, a good, well-balanced diet, sleep, and exercise and de-stress. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you.